Well, check this place out. Came up here with the bike. We're just by below Hell's Gate. Check this road out. That's the downside. That's the upside. I should have put the camera on before I come down here, but holy, look at this road, man. We're gonna ride her down to the bottom. Okay, we're gonna carry on down. Got the camera mounted properly. Now, this is what you call steep hill. Okay, up and over. Okay, let's do this. Now this is what you call a switchback. Looks like we got us a machine working just up ahead. Holy fuck. Fuck. Howdy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just looking around.
Okay, well you can go back.
Thanks.
Sorry about that.
No problem. I expected it. Wherever there's somewhere cool, you can't go.
Yeah. Well, tracks are right there anyway, so that's as far as you'd go at anyway.
Okay. Oh, well. We tried, everybody. Got down a ways, that's for sure. Oh, shit. Here we go. Always an adventure when you have a dirt bike. Don't think I want to bring my Goldwing or my old Harley down here though. Show you guys something you might not have ever seen before. This is the pullout just before Hell's Gate Air Tram. There we go. Look at that. Pretty cool. I think we should launch the drone. If we're going to launch the drone, we got to put it all together so you guys can get an idea. The drone, got to take off this little cover. Come on, you. Top, bottom, Well, now I got to get it fixed. Let's see, I'm looking up to make sure that where I put the drone is it's clear above. Okay, drone is in place. That was quite the hike up. Whew. Good for you. Good for me. All right. Get back and rip her on back. Ugh. There's the view over the dome. Look at that, eh? That's where we were, just down there by those stairs. All right. Better get out of here. There. It's a pretty cool little viewpoint, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that though. Let's try it here. That's better. Ah, yes. Oh, there's a nice truck. Whoa. He's been busy polishing that, I'll tell you. That river's churning away. Looks rather angry. Down around the corner there is the Alexandra Bridge, and then there's the other Highway 1 bridge beyond. Anyways, I'm going to turn you off after we cross over the Highway 1 bridge. So I'll say sayonara for now. Okay. Head back.